How to enable friend confirmation on WeChat. Hello and welcome to Tech TV. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can enable friend confirmation on WeChat. For that, you'll have to open your WeChat application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your WeChat account. Once logged in, you will reach to this interface of WeChat application. Here, click on that Me icon at the right corner below. Then you will be taken to this page. Here, click on Settings option, and within the settings, here click on Friends Permission under Privacy sector. By clicking on it, you will be taken to a new page again, where at the top you will find Required Friend Request option. This is the confirmation for the friends to connect with on WeChat. By toggling this button, you will enable friend confirmation on WeChat. From now on, whoever wants to connect with you needs to send friend requests to you. So in this way, you can enable friend confirmation on WeChat. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.